Hi students, today I am going to tell you about loading process. In our previous class I have explained you about data extraction, then transformation, and today I am going to tell you about loading process. These three all come under ETL process: extraction, transformation and loading process. Then what do you mean by loading? Loading is nothing but it is the process where the transformed data is loaded into the warehouse. After transformation process, the data is loaded into the warehouse. The data is loaded into the warehouse. We all know about the components of data warehouse, where all the data will be extracted from different data sources or from different applications, and that data which is extracted is transformed into a unified format, and after transforming into a standard or unified format, that data will be loaded into the data warehouse. The data will be loaded into the data warehouse. Then there comes the types of loading. We have three types of loading. What are the three types? We have initial loading, full refresh load, and then incremental load. These are the three types of loading. Coming to initial load, the process of initial load will happen when the data is being loaded on the warehouse for the first time. If we are loading the data into the data warehouse for the first time, then we call it as initial load. Or if we are transforming or loading all the data, entire data is dumped into the warehouse at a time. That means in one go we are loading the data into the data warehouse. Then we call it as a full refresh load. And this full refresh load is a costly process, and it requires more time. It requires more time in order to load all the data into the data warehouse. While loading all the data at a one go, the data may be lost. So in all this, all the previous data is erased and the new data will be added. And there comes the next type, that is incremental load. In this, the data is dumped at regular intervals. Data is dumped at regular intervals like this. Means between time intervals, the data is loaded into the data warehouse. Understood? These are the three types of loading. Then we have some techniques of loading. Again, we have three types of techniques in order to load data into the data warehouse. They are append mode, destructive merge, and constructive merge. Coming to append mode, here if we have already added the data into the data warehouse, if we want to add a new data to the data warehouse, then we have to use this append mode technique. Getting the new data is simply added to the existing tables. Then destructive merge. Here the destructive merge is that in which in this mode the primary key of the incoming data, what the data we want to add, that primary key will be compared with the existing data. Primary key will be compared with the existing data. If that matches, if the primary key matches with the existing data, then the record is updated. Then the record is updated. Otherwise, if it does not match, then the incoming record is saved as a new table. Saved as a new record in a new table. Whereas in constructive merge, the primary key is matched with the existing record. If it matches, then the existing record is left as it is. The existing record is left as it is, and a new record is added, and it replaces the old record. It saves both the existing record as well as the new record. But In destructive merge, the new data will be added to the existing record, but in constructive merge, it leaves the old record and it adds the new record to the existing record and creates a new table. Getting these are the three techniques of loading: append mode, destructive merge, and constructive merge. Hope you all understood about all the three processes: extraction, transformation, and loading. Thank you.